Okay, so this is today's harvest. 3 okras, some grape tomatoes that I'm gonna put in my salad, a candy cane bell pepper, and then I have a regular green bell pepper. And then I harvested some sunflowers. I already started making my flower bouquet for my friend, so she loves sunflowers. So I'm gonna cut this one up and put it into my flower vase. I also added some echinacea flowers in here, just so that she can make, a tea if she wants to. If not, keep it as a flower vase. I mean, for the most part, my flower raised bed is doing good, but I think I need to add some flowers that I can, cut to put in my house, because to be honest, I was just growing like sunflowers because, I've heard that they're great with growing with corn. As you can see, I have finally taken out my corns because it just wasn't doing anything. But yeah, I was just super surprised at how thick my sunflower plant grew, the stem. I have a few more trying to bloom. Ooh, Jesus, just bees everywhere though. Now the top ones look like they are about done. Yeah. Now I've heard that it's best to harvest them when they are, they look like they are about to bloom, so that it can last a little longer for you. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys how you can, harvest your sunflowers. Just showing you how I made my sunflower echinacea flower bouquet. So let me go get some scissors, and I'm gonna cut these 3 off, and then I'm gonna just, keep it in my house so that I can have a smile each morning. Okay, so I keep my scissors in my drawer, in my working station. I have a video on how we assembled this working station, so definitely check out that video. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut some more sunflowers just for myself to put in my house. I'm making this one for my friend, and yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how I harvest the sunflowers and then how I cut my sunflowers to place them in a cup or a vase, whichever one. So, all right, got another okra flower blooming, so that's exciting. This is an okra growing right here. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna harvest that one. I'm gonna harvest this one right here. I wish I had someone recording for me, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this one off down to the base, right there. Okay, that didn't work. Here we go, for real. Okay, here's another sunflower, and they smell so good, you guys. Go ahead, let's smell. Let's smell the sunflower. She smells like, actually, sunflowers smell really good. I think next year I want to grow the variety that gives you sunflower seeds. Okay, so I'm gonna harvest this one. Okay, as soon as I get it low enough. Okay, here we go. Let me see, I got it. Okay, so that should be good. Ooh, okay. Ooh, bees are mad. Y'all be all right. Okay, and now I'm gonna harvest this one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the leaf off. Let me hurry up before these bees get really mad. Okay, there we go. I'm off myself, but I allowed them to fall on the ground. They are okay. But yeah, so I harvested some more. Make sure you get any ants off too. Make sure you don't have any bugs or anything like that before you bring it into your house. But I can do this at my working station, so just stay tuned. Okay, so now that I have, everything at the working station, I like to make sure that they are good. I like to inspect them or bringing them into my house. The pepper was pretty good, shiny. Smell it. Okay, of course you guys have already smelled the bell pepper and my tomatoes. They look pretty good. No split in them. Oops. So they look pretty good. Now I think I'm going to leave these out at room temperature so that they can get a little redder. I thought they, like, you know, it's a difference between when you take them like outside and then when you bring them in. So but yeah, I think that they could get a little redder, so I'm going to allow for them to get a little redder. Okay, let's look at these sunflowers. Now I'm going to remove the leaves so that, you know, it won't get any like bacteria or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. Ooh, she is lovely, very pretty. Let's go ahead and smell once again. Yeah, you guys, I would really recommend growing sunflowers. I would really recommend that. And this is just the leaf. Okay, let's check the back. Take this leaf off. Come on. All right, there we go. Whew. Gardening is a workout. My heart is racing. Okay, that one looks pretty good. Put that one right there. Ooh, let's check this one out. I don't know why this one is bent like that. Not sure why. I don't know. Let's check the back. Okay. Looks good. Check this one. Take off the leaf. Okay, so these look pretty good. We'll cut these down. I'm using a cup, as you can see, because this variety of sunflowers that I'm growing, they're not long. They're, you know, mid-size, so I decided to just cut it down and fit it into a cup that I have. Down, and then place them. I'm gonna place one more, maybe 3 in here, because I think that's about all this cup is gonna allow. So, and then I'm gonna have to get another cup for the rest of them so that I can put into my house. So, okay, so let me go ahead and cut these down, and then I'll be back, because yeah, I can't cut and record at the same time. So I'll show you guys how I put the last one in this flower bouquet and how I make the bouquet for my house. Be right back. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna add, let me take this echinacea flower out. Now I'm gonna add this one in here. That is so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Okay. Then put this echinacea flower back in here, like so. Okay, so there we have it. The sunflower and echinacea flower bouquet. Very pretty. I love it. I think her flower bouquet is ready for delivery. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to put these 3 in a vase. I decided to keep it longer because my other vase is a little bigger. I don't have another cup, like a cute little cup like this with a handle. So yeah. Alright, so let me show you how I make this flower bouquet. So, and I cut at angles. Okay. I think I need it a little shorter. I don't know. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I have to right here on the side. I don't know. I think I want them shorter. I'm gonna test it out. But yeah, you guys. So, like I said, this is today's harvest. Like I showed you earlier, some vegetables and some flowers. So I really enjoyed harvesting my flowers today. I really did. I was just trying to keep them on the plant, but you know, I was like, you know, I come out to my garden, but you know, I enjoy fresh flowers in the house. So I decided to go ahead and, you know, harvest a few of my sunflowers to put in the house, and then this one is going to my friend. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video showing you what I harvested today, and how I make my sunflower, or how I harvest my sunflowers, and how I made these little flower bouquets. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. As always, happy gardening. Peace.